Everything is made up of atoms. Atoms contain three types of particles. Protons are positively charged. Neutrons are neutral. Electrons are negatively charged. The nucleus of the atom contains protons and neutrons. The electrons move around the nucleus in an orbital or shell. In the periodic table, each element symbol has two numbers by it. The top number is the mass number. The bottom number is the atomic number. Atomic number equals the number of protons. Mass number equals the number of protons plus neutrons. So, number of neutrons equals mass number minus atomic number. The atomic number gives the number of electrons in the atom because the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. The number of electrons in an atom determines the reactivity of the element. Isotopes are different atomic forms of the same element. They have the same atomic number but a different mass number. So they have the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons.